So here's what you need to do to get a ticket for the bus, and you need to come here and do it 1 day earlier. But tomorrow or later, you just choose your departure time here, and you can choose the station here, destination. If you're going to Fuji or Fuji Highland, just follow this one when you see Mount Fuji. Shinjuku Express bus terminal. So this is the station where I am right now. Okay, you have to click on that one and go to Fuji-Q Highland or Mount Fuji Station or Mount Fuji Yamanaka. What's this? Yamanaka, whatever. So here are the destinations. So you choose one there. Click OK. 6, it will give you all the time. Tables like here, you can see all those on us. You can click next. So I'm just going to give you an example. It doesn't matter if you click on that one. And here you can choose your seat. You can click, remove it, click again. Choose your seats. Okay, and you have to reserve the round-trip tickets because if you don't, you're gonna get stuck there. Same day. You're coming back same day. And then you have to choose the boarding station, which is this one. And then this one is the station where you have to go back to, which is the station where I am right now, and then choose after 6. And then you choose your time again. Here the last seat that's left, and that's for the toilets. Okay, so they ask you to put a phone number right there. Of course, you don't have a Japanese phone number, but you can answer your home phone number. It doesn't matter. Okay, just whatever you see. Number, and then hit OK. This will go through. And then you you get a refund only 1 day before. Agree. And you select your credit card or select cash in the other machine. This one is for credit card. As you can see, credit card only. It's the other way, but many people are there, so I just want to give you an example here. You just have another option here, pay by cash or pay by credit card. You select here. So you put it here, or you scan it right there. And that's all. And they will give you tickets. They will come out from here, and they will look something like this. Both of them. And that's your ticket. And I hope that video was useful. Thank you everyone. See you on the next one. And then you just follow the lines to your bus. Follow the colors to your gate.